What's poppin'? We are back at the track. Changed the tracks today because I'm a little bit closer to my house. I had to work from home today. But today's session, 12 by 400 meters. We're gonna start at 5K pace and end around 3K mile pace. We'll see what happens. We're gonna take a 200 meter jog in between. Really looking to dial into that 5K type pace because I've got a race on Saturday. Baltimore 5K, really looking forward to it. I think it's actually called the ShopRite 5K. This race is so big now, there's actually 4 different waves. The way it's broken up is very curious though. There's like under 30 minutes, I'll be in that wave. And then it's broken out all the way through up to an hour in terms of people completing the race. But in any case, I'm gonna get warmed up. It's cold out, so I don't think I'm gonna be talking too much in between. I'm gonna get the work in. I'll try to give you maybe a couple of little tips here and there about how the workout's progressing, but I may end up doing a wrap up at the house. Also, it is much later in the day than I usually work out, so the sun may drop out. But thanks for joining me. Welcome to week 2. Oh, so quick check-in. The whole deal with the drills is to get your body warmed up. It's another additional thing you do. Get your heart rate. It's also a really good way for me to kind of key in on my body, see how I'm feeling, and see if my paces make sense for the given day that I'm working through. So, all right, time to get to these 400s. First 4. 89, 90, 83, 86. $85, 80, 78, 79.
You know, I don't sit down.
Last rep, 74.4. This will be a good race on Friday. Saturday. I don't know why I keep making it Friday. I think it's I'm driving down on Friday. Race is on Saturday. Let me cool down, catch my breath. All right, back. All right, guys, it's too cold out here. I'm gonna get back to the crib. It's gonna be an exciting Saturday, that's for sure.